In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the country on your Shopify store. Whether you're expanding your business internationally or relocating, adjusting your store's location settings is a straightforward task that will ensure everything runs smoothly. Let's dive into the steps so you can make this change with confidence and ease. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify account and head over to the settings. This can be found at the bottom left of your Shopify admin page. Once you're in the settings section, look for the option labeled Locations. Click on it, and this will bring you to a page where all your current shop locations are displayed. Here, you'll see a list of the different locations currently associated with your store. This is essential if you're managing a business with multiple outlets or if you've recently moved to a new area. Click on the specific shop location you want to edit. This will allow you to view and modify the details related to that location. Within this section, find the country setting and modify it to reflect your new desired country. Make sure to double-check your changes to avoid any errors that might disrupt your business operations. Once you're done with that, navigate over to the General tab. This section is crucial for ensuring that all aspects of your store are consistent with your new location. In the General tab, you'll find the option to adjust the billing address of your shop. This address is important as it can affect taxes, shipping options, and even the currency settings. Carefully change the billing address to match your current geographical situation. After you've made these alterations, give everything another quick review to ensure accuracy. It's always a good idea to confirm that all new information is correct, because the details here will directly impact your customer's experience as well as your business logistics. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully change the country on your Shopify store. This simple yet important adjustment will help you better serve your clientele and ensure your operations are aligned with your geographical context. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, if you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out for additional support. Happy selling!